In today's video, we are going to learn about retroviruses. So, retroviruses, as is shown in the picture below. So, RNA tumor viruses have been known for many years. These viruses are widely distributed in nature and are associated with the tumor production in a number of different animal species, such as fowl, rodent, or cats. Rodent are just like rats, right? So the most familiar of virus is the HIV, the human immunodeficiency virus, which cause AIDS. That is the acquired immune deficiency syndrome, right? So as you can see here is what the structure of a retrovirus looks like. Like there is a single strand RNA here, a single strand RNA tumor virus, which also include the retrovirus, are spherical in form. They look like spherical, right? Spherical in form, they are 100 nanometer in diameter and are enveloped by the host plasma membrane. See, there is a host plasma membrane. Although a few retroviruses are non-specific, that is that they can infect any cell. Most of them can infect only host cell that possess the required receptor. Like कुछ इस तरह के रेट्रोवायरस होते हैं जो कि नॉन स्पेसिफिक होते हैं जो कि किसी भी सेल को इन्फेक्ट कर सकते हैं लेकिन जो मोस्टली होते हैं दे ओनली इन्फेक्ट द होस्ट सेल जिनके पास वो रिक्वायर्ड रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं इन द केस ऑफ एड्स वायरस द होस्ट सेल पोजेस अ रिसेप्टर उसके पास रिसेप्टर होता है जो कि वायरल एड्सॉर्प्शन को होने देते हैं और पेनिट्रेशन हो जाती है लिकोसाइट्स में जो कि वाइट ब्लड सेल्स हैं दिस retrovirus has a special enzyme called as the reverse transcriptase ये जो reverse transcriptase होती है it can convert a single strand RNA into a double stranded viral DNA जो single strand RNA है it will convert it into a double stranded viral DNA. This is what reverse transcriptase do. Not only this, the DNA can infect the host cell, but it also can be incorporated in the host genome as a provirus that can be passed on to the progeny cells. In this way, some of the retrovirus can convert the normal cell, they can convert the normal cells into the cancer cells, right? So this is how the structure of a retrovirus look like this one is the core, then these are the protein and the lipids right here, right? And these are the viral enzymes. यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिखाया हुआ है कि किस तरह से जो वायरल आरएनए है वो कन्वर्ट होता है इनटू द आरएनए जो है वो डबल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए में कन्वर्ट होता है और देन जो क्या कहते हैं डीएनए ये भी इन्फेक्ट कर सकता है क्योंकि ये एज अ प्रो वायरस जो है वो इट कैन बी पास टू दी प्रोजेनी सेल्स एंड इस तरह से it pass into the progeny cells and convert the normal cells into the cancer cells. Then a little difference between the provirus and the retrovirus. जो provirus है, it is a stage of viral replication. But retrovirus is a virus which contain a single stranded RNA genome and genes encoding for reverse transcriptase enzyme, right? उसके बाद जो provirus होता है, it doesn't have reverse transcription enzyme. But जो retrovirus होता है, it contain the enzyme called as the reverse transcriptase enzyme. So these are some of the difference between the provirus and the retrovirus. जो provirus है वो तो सिर्फ एक stage है viral replication की लेकिन जो retrovirus है it is a whole virus that containing a single stranded RNA and genes that encode the reverse transcriptase enzyme. इसी तरह जो provirus है it doesn't have the reverse transcription enzyme but जो retrovirus है it do contain an enzyme called as the reverse transcriptase enzyme. उसके बाद the quiz time. So the first MCQ for today is that dash is a stage of viral replication. provirus, smallpox, or polio. As we have just discussed that provirus is a stage of viral replication. So here the first option is the correct one. The second MCQ for today is that dash contain an enzyme called as transcriptase. Poliovirus, retrovirus, or herpes virus. Retrovirus is the correct answer. So this conclude our today's lesson. If you guys got any query, ask them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.